This video will show you how to use Whereby for video interpreting. After accepting a video interpreting booking with all graduates, you can expect to receive a confirmation email with the details of your booking. This will include the link to both a test call with an all graduates coordinator and the link to the actual meeting, as well as our general guidelines for video interpreting. This email will also include the link to your service delivery form, which needs to be filled in upon completion of all video interpreting bookings. On the day of your booking, we ask that you log in to a quick test video call with an all graduates video interpreting coordinator. This is to be done around 10 minutes prior to the start of your booking to ensure that we can see and hear you well, as well as to answer any questions that you may have. You can find the link to this test call in your confirmation email. Please click on this link 10 minutes before the start of your booking. This should now open a page in your web browser where you can see a preview of your video and ensure your settings are correct before joining the video call. Underneath your video, you will see two icons representing your camera and microphone. If these are in red, this means that they are turned off. You will want to ensure that both buttons are on before joining the call. If you would like to make any changes to which camera and microphone are being used, you can do so by accessing the Settings button to the right. If there is more than one option for your camera, microphone, and speaker, they can be selected here from the drop-down menu. Before joining the call, you will need to enter a display name. This is the name that will be visible to all other parties in the meeting. Please enter the word interpreter and the language you are interpreting for. Once you have done so, please click Save. If the room is locked, you will not be able to enter the meeting straight away. You will need to knock to inform the meeting organizer that you would like to join. It may take a moment or two for you to be admitted to the meeting. You may also see a notification advising that the meeting organizer is aware that you are waiting and has put you on hold. Please continue to wait and you should be admitted shortly. When the meeting has started, you will see both the other party and your own video. At the bottom of your screen, you will also see several icons. Starting from left to right, we can turn off and back on our camera, and mute and unmute our microphone. You should not be required to use the Share button. Whereby also has a chat function which can be useful for communicating if there are any issues with the audio or if the professional wishes to share any written information. The last button is the one you will use to leave the call when the testing is complete. If you would like to make any changes to your camera, microphone, and speaker while in a call, you can do so by accessing the Settings button at the top of your screen. This will also allow you to make other changes to your device preferences should you wish. You should not need to use any of the other buttons at the top of your screen. When you have finished the test call with an all graduates coordinator, you may leave the call by clicking the red Leave button. You will then need to return to your confirmation email and find the link or links to your actual booking. This may be included in the body of the email, or we may provide you with a separate document if there are several links, as is often the case for certain bookings such as parent-teacher interviews. Please double-click the document to open it. From here, you can click directly on the link at the scheduled time. This will open the meeting in your web browser. Before joining the call, you will need to enter a display name. Please enter the word interpreter and the language you are interpreting for. Once you have done so, please click Save. You may now knock to inform the professional that you are ready to start. You may need to wait for them to allow you into the meeting. Please leave this page open and wait for the meeting to start. If more than 10 minutes have passed and the meeting still has not started, please contact our video interpreting support team for assistance.